Finding the right technique to make curls with your flat iron can be a pretty intimidating task. So here is a tutorial to help you with that. So let's get curling. First thing, you are going to want to not skip your heat protectant. Okay, so I am adding a little heat protectant and I am spreading that all through the hair and making sure it's evenly distributed. Today I'm using my mannequin head, you guys. I used this mannequin head a while back to do a course, a color course, if you can see the highlights at the back. So I am using her today for you guys. So I'm making my section. You can decide how big or how small you want your section. And my flat iron is preheated. I have it on 390 degrees Celsius. And I'm just going in with, as you can see, I'm folding it onto the hair and I'm turning it at the base and I'm setting the iron at a diagonal and I'm just passing it through the ends. And that is it. So that is the first curl that I'm going to show you guys. So can you see that curl is nice and big? And then we are going to look at the second curl. I run my iron through the hair until I get to about middle of the length, and then I slowly gently run it through the length. So that's the second curl. As you can see, the curl is more close to the end, while the other one is more on base, so it's more of a curlier curl, if you get what I'm saying, you know. So you can decide when you want to start your bump or your curl. Okay, so let's move on to the third pattern. I'm going to be doing the same thing, running the iron until I get to the middle of the length, and then I'm just turning it. Okay, so this curl is looking similar to the second curl, but it is a little bit more soft at the end. Now let's go for the fourth curl. I'm just turning my iron downwards and I'm just slowly turning my iron as I go down the hair length, and that's it. So as you can see, that is giving you like a junking spiral looking curl, nice and soft. So those are the 4 different curls that I will normally do in the salon. So I am going to show you guys them. I'm going to turn the mannequin head. Hold on. Right, and I'll show you the difference, and you can see that all of them is different. And even though they might look close right now, if you were to do each of them full on, like throughout the head, you will see the difference that each of them will give you. Each of them give you a totally different effect. So I will be choosing curl number 2, and we're going to do that throughout the head and you'll see that effect. Okay, so curl number 2, and let's go. And you guys, like this video if you find this video helpful, because if you like this video, YouTube will allow it to reach more people and it will be good for me. Okay, so like this video and share with a friend, and if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Who have subscribed to my channel, who have been rocking with me from the very first video, I am very much appreciative. It's my pleasure, you guys, to be able to come on here and entertain you guys or teach you guys stuff. I am very humbled by it, and thank you guys for just being here, watching my videos, liking my videos, sharing my videos. And to all you guys that have subscribed to my channel, peace, man. Thank you. This curl pattern is the one that I use mostly. So this pattern is my go-to because I really like that it doesn't leave the hair too big, but it gives it the right amount of body for me. The body that it gives is perfect for me. And you guys, if you've curled the hair like this and then you wrap it and maybe give the client maybe 5 minutes on cool air under the dryer, it will be so full and so nice. You would be amazed. All right, so if you've never tried this curl, give it a try and let me know how it works. And you guys, please don't forget to like this video and share it with somebody who you think might need this video. So yeah, please like the video and share. So this is the look, you guys. I'm using a large tooth comb and I'm combing that through. I'm playing with it just a bit, just for it to fall the way how I want it. And you guys, don't be afraid to frame your client's face with the hair. That is how you're going to make the style pop. That is how you're going to make it look, you know, really good. You have to remember to frame the client's face with the hair. Okay, so that's what I'm doing and I'm just playing with it. And you guys, don't forget, if you mannequin heads, they're unruly, right? So it will really look very, very, very fabulous on the human head, you know, the human hair. It will fall much nicer. So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to share with a friend. Bye.